So the sitemap I mentioned a minute ago, you will need a webmaster account with Google and with Bing to submit your sitemap. Now, we all know Google is the #1 in the world. Bing isn't even #2 in the world. But there's a very specific someone who uses Bing, and her name is Siri. Lots of people have iPhones, and if they have an iPhone and they talk to Siri, Siri searches Bing. So that means you want to have a webmaster account with both of them and submit your sitemap to both of them. It's not hard, and I go through it a little bit more in analytics. Most content management systems will make one for you by default. This is how you check. mydomain.com, do not type MYDO, yourwebsite.com/sitemap.xml. You will either get a page of code, which you can't read and don't worry about it, or it will tell you error. Usually it's a 404 error. If you have an error, that's bad. If you have any kind of code, that's good. That means you have one. If you find that at sitemap.xml you get an error, you need to get a plugin or check your settings to make one. And then you go in and you create an account with Google and Bing and you give it to them. And it's really easy. Once you make the account, you click Add Website, you copy and paste your XML URL, paste it in, click Done. That's really all it is. But they will not do it for you. As easy as it is, you have to go in and do it yourself.